Can you hear it? We live in the glow of artificial light, days turning into nights. We don't feel the air, we don't see the sky. Something passing us by, through the noise, through the sound. Can you hear the world still calling? Can you hear it through it all? Can you hear the world still calling through the silence?